CH3, that is its normal propyl. PR can be represented, that is called propane, if hydrogen attach. Okay. And CH2 whole 3, CH3, butyl, butane. CH2 whole 4, CH3, that is pentyl. And if hydrogen attach, that is called pentane. Okay. CH2 whole 5, CH3, linkage hexyl, and hydrogen when attached, that is called hexane. Okay. So now we have to consider aromatic ring. Aromatic ring having some feature. Aromatic ring হলো এমন ধরনের কম্পাউন্ড যেখানে all carbons are sp2, like benzene ring, যেখানে কি হয় পারপেন্ডিকুলারে p অরবিটাল থাকে, ঠিক আছে, এদের মধ্যে অ্যারোমেটিক সেক্সটেট তৈরি হয়, উপরে নিচে